Hello students, welcome back to your math classes. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So students, I'm your mathematics educator again here with a new chapter with a new concept. I hope so you have completed your previous chapter worksheet, right? You have completed? Yes, great. So students, today we have chapter number 8 which is shapes. So in this chapter what we are going to learn? We are going to learn different kinds of shapes and their properties. Shapes are two types, plane shapes, which is the examples are for the plane shapes we have triangle, rectangle, square, circle and oval, and solid shapes cube, cuboid, sphere, cone and cylinder. So these are the pictures of plane shapes triangle, rectangle, square, circle, and solid shapes cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere and cone. So this is your worksheet. What you have to do, you have to match the following objects with their shapes. So this is your apple that is looking like a sphere. Now you have this, it look like your cone. So this is your cone, and with this birthday cap, now you have your pencil. Pencil is looking like a cylinder little bit, and you can add it with this. Now you have your geometry box which is a cuboid, and you can connect it with your eraser. Now you have your cube, this box you have to attach it with your dice. Okay students, now filling the blanks. Apple and football have shape of sphere. Ice cream cone and joker cap have the shape of which? Cone. So you have to write here cone. Next, pencil and glass cylinder have shape of. So pencil and gas cylinder have shape of cylinder. So students, these rest two questions you have to solve with the same method as I do by looking at your match the following. Answer the following. Answer the following and fill in the blanks by tick for yes and cross for no. Can you match Pepsi can and cylinder and glass? Yes, Pepsi can, cylinder and glass having same shape which is cylindrical. Can you match ball, sphere and orange? Yes, we can. Can you match joker cap, ice cream and cone and cube? No. We can match ice cream cone and joker cap only, but not cube because cube is a different shape. Now, straight lines and curved lines. So, take a piece of thread, tie its one end to a nail on a wall and hold the other end by your hand so that the thread is tight. The piece of thread held tight gives a straight line. So, what you have to do, you have to take a thread, pin it at a one point of any point, and then you have to stretch it. Why do you stretch it? To what you find, you see you have a straight line. So if you leave the thread loose, what does get is curved line. So if you get it loose, so what you get? You get a curved line. This crease formed by folding of a sheet of paper and then opening it forms a straight line, right? Look it like this. You, if you want to check it, what you can do right now, you take a paper, a piece of paper from your notebook and fold it. What you find, you have a straight line like this. Now if you hold a thread tightly, hand it represent a straight line. If you hold a thread loose in hands, it represent a curved line. So I hope students this is clear to you. What does mean by straight line and curved line? Answer the following. My hair are, your hair could be straight or curved. It's totally depend upon your hair quality. So it's curved. We write here curved. If someone have curly hairs. Now my pencil is straight. Your pencil is always erect and straight. Okay. Next we have straight lines and curved lines. These are the examples of straight and curved. Straight lines can be vertical. Vertical means a standing line. Horizontal means a sleeping line. And slanting lines are these, which is looking like your slanting seesaw type, right? So know your skills. So now you have to evaluate yourself and examine yourself how much you learned till now. So students, my chance, what you have to do, you have to give a try to this question. Okay. Now drawing straight lines. We can draw straight lines using different methods. Using a book or a notebook, move the tip of the pencil along the edge of the book or notebook. So what you can do, take your notebook here and from the tip of the starting point, just make your pencil move in one direction only. So what you make at the end, you will have your straight line. Similarly, you can draw a straight line with the help of a ruler. You just have to put your ruler on a plain page, start your pencil from there and go in one direction only. At the end, you have a straight line. Again, now you have to evaluate yourself. So give a try to this question and try to examine yourself. Now more about plane shapes. So these are the things which we have to know about the plane shapes. So corners or vertex, edge or side. These are the corners, what we called in mathematical language vertex. And these sides are your edges. So a square has four sides. How many sides? Repeat after me. Four sides or edges, and four corners or vertices. All its sides are equal. It means this is equal to this equal to this, and this is equal to this. Four corners, four sides, and all its sides are equal to each other. Next, in rectangle, same, we have four sides and four corners, but in rectangle we have different opposite sides are equal to each other only. Not all four sides equal to each other, only opposite side. Opposite side, as I right now I'm standing in front of you. So this line is front of this, and this line is front of this line. So opposite sides are equal to each other. Now we have circle. In circle we have no edge and no corner. Next we have triangle. In triangle we have three sides, three corners. These sides may or may not be equal. So it's totally upon the triangle. It could be same or it could not be equal. More about closed shapes. So a cube has 6 equal faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. How many faces? 6, 12 edges and 8 corners. So what does you already know about corners? Your vertex, right? You already know about edges. Now we have a new word which is your face. So for example, right now I'm standing in front of you. So this is my face. You only see my front side. So when we are seeing only the front side of it, right, the back side of it, so these are called your faces. Right now this is my back side. So you are able to see only my back side. Okay, this is mean by face. Now a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Its opposite faces are equal. In cuboid, we have opposite faces are equal. Next, a cylinder has 3 faces, curved face and 2 plane faces. It has 2 curved edges and no corners. In cylinder, we have no corners, only have 3 faces, curved and 2 plane faces. Okay, and 2 curved edges. Now we have curved face in sphere. A sphere has one curved face, no sides and no corners is present in this sphere. Now a cone has two faces, one plane face and one curved face. It has one curved edge and one corner. So this is one corner, this is one curved edge. Because when we make a cone, so we have to fold a page like this, okay? And this is our plane face. Two faces, one plane, one curved, only one curved edge and one corner. Now, tracing plane shapes from solid shapes. We can draw plane shapes from solid shapes. How? Drawing a square from a cube. So first of all, what we do? First, we make a square, take a dice, put it on a paper, take a pencil and run along the edge of the dice to make a square. So first we have to make a square like this. So with the help of your 3D shapes, solid shape, you are able to form your plane faces. Now drawing a rectangle from a cuboid, so same, you have to take your pencil box, trace your pencil box edges and you will have last your rectangular shape. Next, drawing a circle from a cylinder. Again, you can take your water bottle because below side it is having a circle and you have to trace the below it and you will get your cylinder circle. Now drawing a circle from a sphere. So to make a circle from a sphere, what you have to do? You have to cut your sphere into two parts. After you have your another part, half part of the circle, you can trace it like this and you will have your circle. Drawing a circle from a cone, so keep the flat surface of a cone on a sheet. So your birthday cap should be like this. You have to, and then you can make the boundaries of, you have to trace the boundaries of the cone, and at the moment you have your circle. Fill the table. So you have to now tell me how many faces, edges and corners we have in different shape. So in cuboid, this is what? This is cuboid. How many faces we have? 6. How many edges we have? 12. How many corners we have? 8. Okay, students. Now, next. This is circle. How many faces we have? Zero. How many edges we have? Zero. How many corners we have? Zero. So students, what you have to do? You have to answer similarly as I do for rest of the two by you can also refer your above section information. You can go through and then write here. Now know your skill. Again, you have to evaluate, examine yourself. So this portion is for you only. You have to try out this question and examine yourself. Now different views of solid shapes. So observe the following 3D objects. Just do one thing whenever you going to learn this chapter. Make sure you have a cuboid box. So with the help of cuboid box, you can see the front view, side view and top view. You can also, but in nowadays, we don't have this kind of TV in our houses. So it's totally up to you. If you can arrange a box, you can arrange, it will be easy for you to check out different views of that particular 3D shape. So now right now we have a TV. This is the front view, this is the side view. If you see your TV from getting side to it towards it, so you will get a point side view like this, and this is the top view. Observe the object and write the front, side and top view. So this is front, this is side and this is top. Now this is front, this is side view and this is top view, right? So students, now you have your mathematics lab activity which you have to perform where? In your math lab. After performing this, your chapter is ends here, and I hope so students you love this chapter, you enjoy this chapter and you understood this chapter very well. So students, now I'll meet you in your next class with a new chapter, with a new concept. Till that, what you have to do? You have to enjoy your life. Have a good day. Bye bye.